Hello everyone and welcome to NTech. In this video, we will see how to make an automatic street light using LDR and Arduino. LDR is a light dependent resistor whose resistance decreases with the increase in intensity of light. In the automatic street light project, when light falls on the LDR, it considers it as daytime, and when there is no light, it considers it as nighttime. We will need the following components to build this project: an Arduino Uno, LDR, a 10K resistor and a 330 ohm resistor, and an LED. You can refer to this circuit diagram to make the connections. Connect the Arduino board to your computer and upload the code. When it is daytime, light falls on the LDR and the LED remains off. Whereas when it is dark, the light does not fall on the LDR and the LED switches on. To operate a bulb with this circuit, connect the bulb with a single channel relay module and connect the input pin of the relay module to digital pin of the Arduino to which we have connected our LED.